Iguodala starting again. His sixth time this year, and Nick Young. Well, they can feel that they might get a win here.
Quinn Cook off the Pachulia delivery. That was nicely done.
To have the coach behind you. Nice penetration.
Good drop off, and Kevon Looney.
Air right now.
Kevon played a lot of minutes here. Draymond Green taking it in. Able to flip that one in. Nick Young in transition. Draymond's got Daniels on him. And put it in.
And all of a sudden, Andre gave it to him.
Draymond, okay, we've lost 17 out of 18. Like, you could get them into that mode as Draymond right down the lane. Accentuate a little bit more as Quinn Cook lays that in, and he's fouled. Draymond, he puts it in. Phoenix coming back to earth from distance a little bit. How hot is Quinn Cook? They're hot!
Yeah, they'll find out who he is. What a terrific shooter. What a great young man.
We saw Steph Curry talking to him. Bell with a steal. Bell hammering it.